Every business wants to leverage the power of TikTok because TikTok is everywhere right now. It doesn't matter which age group you are in, whether you're 16 years old, 14 years old, 18, 50, 60 years old. I've seen people making videos of maybe like 60, 65 years old people as well making the videos on TikTok. That means if those kind of people are putting the content on TikTok, that means there is consumption as well. Hi friends, this is Ishu Singh. If you're watching this video for the first time, in this channel, I provide you useful information that can help you to start, run, or grow your business. So if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, subscribe to this channel, watch this video completely. It's full of value, and let me know in the comment box below. TikTok is growing every single month. If you will see the charts on any of the platform that gives analysis about the apps, TikTok is on #1. It has surpassed Instagram, YouTube, and many other apps as well because lots of people are consuming content. Now I'm gonna give you a dissection how and why people are consuming the content. There are many reasons for doing that. When we go to Instagram, what happens? We see our feed filled with the content being published by the people whom we have already followed. But on TikTok, it's almost different. We also see the feed being published or feed being filled by the content being published by the people who we have already followed and people we don't follow at all. So what is the difference? What is going on here? That is a strategy from TikTok. I will cover the strategy part a little bit later, maybe in some other video, because it's a huge topic and I want to dissect like what is happening between TikTok and other mediums. But coming back to the topic here, I'm gonna give you the reference of Instagram because Instagram is in the game from a long time. So most of you are familiar with Instagram in depth. So when Instagram came, lots of people were using the hashtags like follow for follow, like for like, and many other things in order to go out there, gain more followers, so that the people who see that this person is having lots of following, I'm gonna follow this person as well. So that was the mindset at that time. But TikTok has broken that barrier. So why? You don't need to even have one follower in order to get viral. Why I'm saying that? Because my one video went viral. Like, how I'm saying that? Because when I published that video, I literally was getting hundreds of likes every single day. And sometimes it was every single minute, every single hour. So the video got approximately 190,000 views. That was my second video with 0 followers, and I got 200 followers out of that. I'm just giving you my reference so that you will understand that I know this thing. That's what I'm talking about. And if you will go to other influencers, you will see tons of followers, but I'm giving you the starting journey, like how I started. The #1 step should be, if you have not used TikTok, go to Play Store or Apple Store, download TikTok and explore yourself what kind of content people are publishing on TikTok. That is going to be your #1 step. If this is not going to happen, how would you be able to understand, okay, what kind of content you're gonna publish for your business? TikTok is having 2 sizes of content, 15 seconds and 60 seconds. On TikTok, if you want to win, doesn't matter if you are a business or if you are going as a solopreneur or as an individual. The main key thing that you want to know is 50-second and 60-second. 15 seconds and 60 seconds are the 2 time slots that you want to target. So within 15 seconds, it's going to be really quick. You cannot say that, hi, this is Ishu Singh. I'm just giving you my example. You cannot say that, okay, hi, this is this, and I'm going to explain you that. 50 seconds will be over within that time. Or maybe 60 seconds. It's going to be really quick. 50 seconds, like, it's nothing. When you compare to YouTube, my introduction is gonna be around like 50 seconds long, and TikTok whole video is 15 seconds. That doesn't mean that the effort that it takes to make that video is gonna be less, because on YouTube, if I'm making 20-25 minutes longer video, I'm gonna be spending maybe 8-10 hours. On TikTok, if I'm thinking that I'm gonna make a 15-second content, I will be spending maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes. In some cases, yes, that is true, but you need to come up with a storyline. It's not okay, you picked up the camera and you started talking, you started making a video about anything. Okay, you started talking to the camera. TikTok doesn't like that kind of content. You have to be creative. So if you don't know about VFX, a lot of people are using VFX effects in their video. That's why like not 100% of the videos that you see on TikTok are being made on TikTok itself. They are made outside of TikTok and being pushed inside TikTok afterwards. Why? Because editing has to be crisper, because you cannot do that crispier editing within TikTok. You have to go outside, edit the videos, come back in. So TikTok is having magic related content. People are putting lots of fun dances. People are putting lots of like sound related videos. Okay, someone has spoken something, people are making, in some cases, in some words you can say that people are making fun of those voices or those sounds. People are using other people's sounds and music and making their own video. That's becoming trend. I recently saw one trend where people were throwing water on their babies, like haha, something like that. So that was hilarious, I get that, but that was a trend that was happening, and people whosoever hopped onto it made gained lots of followers, lots of likes and comments. On TikTok, hashtags also matter, but in TikTok, you don't have to use that many hashtags in order to come in front of the people. You can only use small amount of hashtag. When I say small, 3, 4, maybe 5 max. So within 3, TikTok would understand what kind of content you want to show to the people and what kind of people would like to see this kind of content. There are 3 or 4 famous hashtags on TikTok, like for you page, for you challenge, FYP, things like that. And you can also misspell for you page, remove E from the end, and you will again still get more and more of views and likes if your video is gonna be picked up by TikTok algorithm. Why I say picked up? Because not every video of yours is gonna get millions of views. Yes, TikTok is giving advantage to every single person. Even you have 0 followers, they will still show your video. And if your video is going to have the power, people are going to start liking your video. Initially, they will show it to more people faster. So the moment your video got published, now if 100 people saw that video, if 50% or 10% or 20%, the ratio will decide and tell TikTok how many more people would like to see this kind of video. That's why you will see more videos or some of the videos getting millions of views. Why? Because it is getting higher engagement in the beginning time when the video was published. Is there any current business leveraging the power of TikTok? Yes. I'm gonna give you one example of Chipotle. If you will go to their page, you will see funnier content. This kind of content is not finished. It's not polished like Instagram. You need to have a fancy photo with perfect lighting, perfect editing. TikTok is completely opposite. They need raw stuff, they need creative stuff, they need the kind of content that's gonna push your mind to watch that video one more time. Take an example of Zach King. If you don't know about him, he's on YouTube, he's on Facebook, he's on TikTok as well, with millions of followers and I think billions of views. If you will go to his videos, you will see what kind of content he's pushing, and he's gonna force you to watch his content, one piece of content, maybe 5 times, 10 times in order to understand what he did. He's not an actual magician. He is today's age magician, which is using the power of the platforms, the online editing tools available, and he's using the power of those tools and pushing people's mind to really understand what is he trying to do in his videos. And that is the power of TikTok. If you made the simple video I'm talking, you're not gonna watch my video one more time. You need to hook the people. You need to tell the people why they should watch the same video one more time. So Chipotle is also using this leverage. Chipotle is pushing similar kind of content, funnier content. They are also using other people's references. Their employees are making videos. They're using different kind of hashtag strategies in order to tackle their customers. I just gave you the example of Chipotle. So Chipotle is actually selling like burritos and other things, that doesn't mean that you need to sell the burritos, and they're not promoting the burritos directly. Like they might be promoting this somewhere else on other platforms like Twitter, Instagram, but on TikTok it's completely different. Yes, they are talking about their company, but in a different way. You don't have to tell directly, okay, buy my burrito. They are promoting who they are. Like they are telling people, okay, we are also fun, whatever you're doing, we are also doing the same thing. So people are getting attached to that brand, and you will see, if you will see to TikTok right now on Chipotle's page, you will see the trend. You will see thousands, in some cases millions of views and likes on their channel and on their page, and you will also see tons of followers and engagement on their page. TikTok is having For You page or section on the top. TikTok is also having learning section on the top. That means if you are producing learning based content, you can use those kind of hashtags, and people who are interested in learning switch to that tab and watch and keep on watching the content that is education related. And if your business is within the education, you can leverage that power of the learning tab. But if your content or if your business is related with generic categories, not learning, then you can target For You page. And if you will go to that magnifying glass is also available on Instagram. But on TikTok, if you will go there, you will see definite categories within TikTok. Like that, those are the challenges that people are using in order to grow their accounts. Some people are using green screen. TikTok is having green screen that, okay, it's gonna make, so you can put anything behind you, any kind of content that you want to put. So it's gonna basically take you away from the background, remove you from the background. You can put any background that you would like to have in your video. These kind of challenges, these kinds of trends are important. It doesn't mean that, okay, you are a serious brand and you cannot use that challenge, what is going on and why you need to go with the challenge. If you're not such a big, massive business and you don't think that you can create your own trend, if you're not up to that scale, then it's better that you use the power of existing challenges. You don't have to copy people. You just notice, okay, what other people are doing, what kind of challenge it is, and just try to come up with a twist that can tell people about your business or brand in a different way, in a way that it's not gonna look like salesy or pushy. It's gonna still feel relevant to people, so they can come onto your page and also see or also click the link on your page. This is it for this video. If you like this video, you know the whole thing. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and keep on coming back. And how you can do that, you need to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I will put another video, you will be notified for another video. You know this whole thing, subscribe to the channel and keep watching. Take care, see you in the next video.